In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step method to fix the Triller app if it's not working, like it won't open, keeps crashing, or gets stuck loading. So first things first, close the Triller app completely. Don't leave it running in the background. Swipe it away from your recent apps. Now instead, we're going to go into your iPhone settings. So open settings, scroll down, and tap general. Then go to iPhone storage. Now wait a few seconds for the storage list to fully load because it needs time to scan all your apps. Once it finishes loading, tap the search bar at the top and type Triller. Now select the Triller app from the list. In here, you want to choose Offload App. Tap Offload App, then confirm again when it pops up. This removes the app itself but keeps your saved documents and data, which makes it safer than deleting everything. Now, once the offload finishes, you'll see the option to reinstall app. Tap reinstall app and wait for it to download and reinstall completely. Now, once that's done, go back to your home screen and open Triller again. In most cases, this fixes the app instantly because it refreshes the app files and removes any corrupted data causing the crash. And that's it. So try this method, and hopefully now Triller should work normally again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.